Hello students, today I am going to deal with the second lecture of this series on principles of inheritance and variation. Today we will discuss the terminology section. Mendel, as a matter of fact, he gave many terms which are still relevant today. Let us discuss them one by one. At first, it's trait. What is trait? Trait, it's a special character, such as in terms of stem, the height may be tall or dwarf. In terms of pod color, it may be inflated or constricted. Then we have the factors. This was the term exclusively given by Mendel, but afterwards the factors are known as genes. Today we use the term genes instead of factors. These are the units of inheritance. Now third one is allele. Allele is the alternative forms of a gene. Suppose that we use the phenotype capital T, small t. Capital T for tall plants, small t for dwarf plants. Now let us turn our gaze to other terms. The dominant trait and recessive trait. The dominant traits are one, which are expressive, while the recessive traits are those which are hidden. If we take the example of the genotype capital T, small t, T for tall plants and again a small t for dwarf ones. So here the tall plants express themselves, they are visible, while the dwarf ones are not visible. Now homozygous and heterozygous. Homozygous are such kind of alleles which are similar of same type, such as capital T, small t, while the heterozygous are ones which are not similar. They are different, capital T, small t. Now, what is genotype and what is phenotype? Genotype is the genetic material of an organism, such as capital T, small t, and capital T, small t. The phenotype is the physical appearance which is visible, such as the stem of the plants, tall or dwarf. The pod color may be yellow or green. At last, we will discuss what is backcross and test cross. Backcross is such kind of cross in which the F1 hybrid, such as capital T, small t, is crossed with either dominant parent, capital T, or recessive parents, small t. These are homozygous ones. So, capital T, small t into capital T, or capital T, small t into small t. This is backcross is done to obtain the traits of the parents. Then what is test cross? Test cross is such kind of cross in which the phenotype of an organism with dominant physical appearance is determined. It is crossed, the dominant one is crossed with homozygous recessive, small t. So F1, or you can say the dominant one, capital T, must be there. Then one is question mark. We don't know the exact genotype. So capital T, question mark into small t. If tall plants are produced, then the genotype will be capital T. And if tall plants and dwarf plants both are produced in the ratio of 1 and 1, then we have the genotype capital T and small t. So these are the terms which we have discussed. Until we meet again in second lecture, or that will be third lecture. So keep on smiling, have a good night, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos too. So thank you.